Hey y'all, it is Tia from from Work at Home Maiden, sorry, and I'm back with another video. Today we're talking about another kind of different way to get money, or it's not really making money because it's money that you already made. But anyway, we're talking about unclaimed money, unclaimed funds, that you may already have access to, or that you should have had access to that you didn't get. So if you worked a job, if you've ever been like a part of maybe even part of a class action lawsuit that you didn't know about, or somebody in your family had insurance, or somebody in your family had a trust fund or something, and they didn't collect that money, that stuff is what we're talking about today. So over here on the Discord, the Work at Home Maiden Discord, you can go to the unclaimed money tab, click on the pinned comment, or the first comment in there. We're going to visit the website. Can I fix that? A network of National Association of State Treasurers. Now, please make sure that you're going to the right website. Some people have made a business of tracking down funds for other people, but you can track down your own funds for free. And this is kind of how you do it. Find and claim. Search for your unclaimed property. It's free, as I've said before. If you are in Canada, I also believe that there is one in there. If you're not in the United States, you might want to check your country's to see if your country has its own national association, or if your province or whatever has its own unclaimed funds situation there. This is for the people of the United States. Search by state or province. Use the official state government website to conduct free searches. Again, it is free. If it is not free, there is something wrong. Let's just check Montana. We're going to look at Montana real quick. A lot of these sites will have a .gov to go to. If it's like a .com, it might be suspicious. Helpful links for individuals, where to refund, verification letters. Let's just do this. Unclaimed. See, this is just the website. This is just their treasury website. Unlocated mineral trusts. Interesting. But that's not what we wanted. Give me a second to find. Okay, so I went back and looked more closely under for individuals, and there goes unclaimed property. And here goes more information about that. And things that you might find on this website: uncashed checks, savings for checking amount, savings or checking accounts, credit balances, traveler's checks or money orders, stocks and bonds, insurance proceeds, certificates of deposit. And how you would do that is you would go through this, you read the instructions, go to the portal, click search for unclaimed cash, follow the on-screen instructions to find and claim any missing money. This is basically the same for every state in the United States. And like I've said before, this is money that you've already made or already should have had access to, but for some strange reason you did not. Like recently, I had a $10 check coming from a company. I wanted to say website, but it was some company that I should have had their $10 from them that I just didn't get. They sent me a letter that said that if the account is untouched for 90 days, they were going to have to send my money to the unclaimed website, to the unclaimed Department of the Treasury for my state, and I've had to go through them to get my $10. I've had several people in my family have refunds from people in my family who have passed away that they didn't even know was there. I looked it up for them and they got it. So don't just check for yourself. Check also for your relatives who have passed on, or relatives who might be incapacitated at this time and can't look for themselves. Yeah. Also look in other states where you may have lived and worked in the past. So that being said, that is basically it. I hope that you guys find some unclaimed money, some money that you didn't have, or maybe didn't know that you had before. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now. Oh, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also go to the Discord. Link is in the description box to get access to more information like this. I'm over there pretty much every day. Now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.